2, 1, go! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. That's how you do it. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's how you do it. Left, up, down, right, left, up, down, right, down, down, up, down, down, right, down, down, up, down, down, right. To beat you dead, I gotta rock to the rhythm better. Follow the tempo, baby. Can't risk a miss a blunder. To be my daddy, gotta rock to the rhythm better. Follow the tempo, baby. Can't risk a miss a blunder. This for my baby girl. You made my mind go swirl. Transcending time and space. You diamonds, I'm your pearl. This for our life together. Just you and me forever. Daddy's infuriating. Gotta be such a bummer. Boy, I'm glad if I make you mine. Got your eyes on my sunlight. Oh, one more time, make me feel so right. Soaring high, I'll never take it. My girl, my love is everlasting. After that fight, let's go all night. My love, you got this, but that I'm not. To beat you dead, I gotta rock to the rhythm better. Follow the tempo, baby. Can't risk a miss a blunder. To be my daddy, gotta rock to the rhythm better. Follow the tempo, baby. Can't risk a miss a blunder. This for my baby girl. You made my mind go swirl. Transcending time and space. You diamonds, I'm your pearl. This for our life together. Just you and me forever. Daddy's infuriating. Gotta be such a bummer. Baby girl, if I had a nickel, every time I thought of you, I'd have one. Cause you never leave my mind. Now I'ma face your dad and make you mine. 3, 2, 1, go!
Who's this punk?
That's sunshine.
What you got to show?
Would you like to know?
If you wanna dig my tears,
You better make you rip your lips.
then you got to get to me.
I'll make it look too easy.
Living slow,
Living slow,
moving fast.
moving fast.
Now you should know,
I should know.
this ain't nothing new.
I could do to you.
Oh, ain't you stunned?
But I hot past buns.
Now you won't stop if you're
Can't
right.
help it, say I'm lost in it.
You got some nerve,
Oh, you gonna get sad.
so say, living slow.
Living slow.
Oh, just moving fast.
You know I move fast.
I said you should know.
You said I should know.
This ain't nothing new.
I could do to you. 3, 2, 1, go!
Check.
No big check.
You like the mess,
I keep it fresh.
but no success.
I must be best.
Leave you in distress, but
I'll be the coquette.
that's right. Keep it up, keep it up, and keep it fresh.
That's right. Keep it up. Keep it up and keep it fresh.
It don't be that, you take my da.
You keep it comfort. Take it up right up.
So you really think you are that hard?
Fuck yeah. Whether you like it or not, she's my bitch.
Check.
No big check.
You like the mess,
I keep it fresh.
but no success.
I must be best.
Leave you in distress, but
I'll be the coquette.
that's right. Keep it up, and keep it fresh.
That's right. Keep it up. Keep it up and keep it fresh.
It don't be that, you take my da.
You keep it comfort. Take it up right up.
Little boy tryna get some. Now he best watch himself or he act up. Now Papa D's that teach you a lesson. Cause class is a session, no place for a less than.
Damn, now you're done looking mad fine.
some advice, better think it over twice, baby.
Say your goodbyes, you know I'm not playing nice, baby.
No place to run or hide, now I'm fighting dirty.
You don't need to run or hide, cause I know I'm worth it.
Sing it loud to the crowd, or else I'ma put you in the ground.
Singing loud for my crowd. You know that I'm gonna stand my ground.
Think you can beat me? Boy, you just in tea. Ain't no way you leave alive. I ain't telling no lies, boy, you about to fucking die. And once this battle over, I'ma make your soul mine.
Think you can beat me? Feel it within me and believe this place alive. I ain't telling no lies, won't even have to fucking try. Cause once this battle over, I'ma make that girl mine.
Here's some advice, better think it over twice, baby.
Say your goodbyes, you know I'm not playing nice, baby.
No place to run or hide, now I'm fighting dirty.
You don't need to run or hide, cause I know I'm worth it.
Sing it loud to the crowd, or else I'ma put you in the ground.
Singing loud for my crowd. You know that I'm gonna stand my ground. Think it's so amazing how you can call me baby. Then turn around and hold me back, controlling who I'm dating.
He's misbehaving, he must think that I'm playing. After all of that, I saw better, now he no complaining.
Tired of this arguing, keeping it blunt. Please, daddy, won't you listen? Boyfriend, shut up. Baby daddy looking down at me like I'm just a runt. So now, girl, I will hold back. I'm heading out on the hunt.
Think you can beat me? Boy, you just in tea. Ain't no way you leave alive. I ain't telling no lies, boy, you about to fucking die. And once this battle over, I'ma make your soul mine.
Think you can beat me? Feel it within me and believe this place alive. I ain't telling no lies, won't even have to fucking try. Cause once this battle over, I'ma make that girl mine.
Here's some advice, better think it over twice, baby.
Say your goodbyes, you know I'm not playing nice, baby.
No place to run or hide, now I'm fighting dirty.
You don't need to run or hide, cause I know I'm worth it.
Sing it loud to the crowd, or else I'ma put you in the ground.
Singing loud for my crowd. You know that I'm gonna stand my ground. Oh, I'm glad I finally make you mine. Yeah, your eyes are my sunlight. Oh, hold me tight, make me feel so right. So tonight I'll have us taking flight. My girl, my love is everlasting. After this fight, let's go all night. If you got this, put it on the line. Say your goodbyes, you know I'm not playing nice, baby.
No place to run or hide, now I'm fighting dirty.
You don't need to run or hide, cause I know I'm worth it.
Sing it loud to the crowd, or else I'ma put you in the ground.
Singing loud for my crowd. You know that I'm gonna stand my ground.
Ran out of strikes, you be very hit or not, baby.
Go express, cause I like to see you try, baby.
Back from the fight, I'ma leave you hard.
Fight up.
Though you trained, it's insane, 'cause you strip right in my domain.
Unrestrained, I refrain. Adrenaline flowing through my veins.
Man, fuck you, bruh. Bum ass illness, stupid ass scene powers shit. Fuck this dude shit, bro.
Girl, you ain't tell me your dad was a sore ass loser shit. Three, two, one, go!
Pokemon's here, time to give a big cheer. Pokemon's here, time to turn up the fear.
Now it's time to trick or treat, watching the candy tree. Yeah!
Let's not the trick or treat, bosses hugging to each other. Feel the fright, 'cause it's a candy house. Think about it. Feel the fright, not the bread till I
Pokemon's here, time to give a big cheer.
Pokemon's here, time to turn up the fear. Now it is time to trick or treat. Lots of new candy to eat. Yeah! Let's not the trick or treat. Boss was hugging to each
Looking
other.
out tonight,
Feel the fright.
cause it's a candy house.
Take a bite. Feel the fright. A cupboard delight. In the night. Pokemon's here, time to give a big cheer. Pokemon's here, time to turn up the fear.
Every night on Halloween,
This is our favorite routine. Yeah! Every night on Halloween, this is our favorite routine. Yeah!
Three, two, one, go.
Spooky little sparklets in the air, goblins, ghouls, and witches, they'll be sure to scare. Demon looking in the dark, she raising hair, goosebumps reaching like a book, you best beware.
two of the spookiest kids round town on a mission, call it a sugar rush for death found on nutrition.
Feeling a shiver up your spine, some rat suspicion right in the corner of your eye, see an apparition.
Every couple is smarties and no, we're not talking nerds. Time for the payday, we stay snickering at your lost words.
Monster, go take that to hottie, go make sure your screams ain't heard. Your mama scream maybe when she found two candies, get up and thirds. Act like you did it, your doctor fingers, what do you know good? We're on a Tootsie Roll, take one from a bowl, so are we understood? Surprised that you wink for your little fingers and a bit of stew. Do him a favor, oh, one tree flavor is delicious.
Feel it, here's that spooky little spot that's everywhere. Goblins, ghouls, and witches, they'll be sure to stay.
Demon looking in the dark, she raising hair, goosebumps reaching like a book, you best beware. Love the spookiest kids around town, we can call it a sugar rush, forgetting all about nutrition. Feeling a shiver up your spine, something rise suspicion right in the corner of your eye, you see an apparition.
Three, two, one, go. I get money, ain't no funny. You get dirty, tryna be cool. Flow and fitness, get out and take a rest up with that booty good test. Three, two, one, go. My funny Friday funky mod. This is my mod, my Funkadelix funny mod.
I fucking love your mod, your Funkadelix funny mod. Yeah, I love that mod, the Funkadelix mod. Funkadelix. Funkadelix. In my Delix, on a Funkadelix.
And a relish. On a sausage on a bun. Damn, son.
Funkadelix.
It's Funkadelix.
I fucking.
Love Funkadelix. Funkadelix. Yeah, Funkadelix. This is the gotcha zone. Funkadelix gotcha zone.
You
2, 1, go.
Oh my god, it's young Sheldon. I love you, young Sheldon. Can you tell Mary to hit my line? Can you tell me Ma, she looking fine? Dr. Sturgis is cool as shit. I love young Sheldon. It's fucking lit.
It's me, Skibidi Toilet!
Oh fuck, it's Skibidi Toilet. Fuck,
I shit
guys.
everywhere!
Oh my god.
My Skibidi power!
Oh no. Oh my god.
My Skibidi power! My Skibidi